Here are some weight loss-friendly foods that can help you feel full while being low in calories and high in nutrients. 1. Leafy greens. Examples: spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard. Benefits: low in calories and carbs, high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can increase the volume of your meals without increasing the calories. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Examples: broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. Benefits: rich in fiber and protein relative to their calorie content, making them filling. 3. Whole eggs. Benefits: high in protein and healthy fats. Studies show that eating eggs for breakfast can increase satiety and reduce calorie intake for the next 36 hours. 4. Lean protein sources. Examples: chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, and fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Benefits: protein is essential for preserving muscle mass during weight loss and boosts metabolism. 5. Legumes and beans. Examples: lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans. Benefits: high in protein and fiber, promoting feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. 6. Nuts and seeds. Examples: almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. Benefits: rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're calorie-dense, but small portions can help manage hunger. 7. Fruits. Examples: apples, berries, oranges, pears, and grapefruit. Benefits: low-calorie, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Greek yogurt. Benefits: high in protein, low in fat, especially the plain, unsweetened variety, and contains probiotics that support digestion. 9. Avocados. Benefits: packed with healthy fats and fiber, avocados help keep you full longer despite being higher in calories compared to other fruits and vegetables. 10. Whole grains. Examples: oats, brown rice, quinoa, and barley. Benefits: high in fiber, which can help with digestion and promote satiety. 11. Cottage cheese. Benefits: high in protein and low in fat. Cottage cheese is an excellent food for building muscle and losing fat. 12. Chili peppers. Benefits: contain capsaicin, which can boost metabolism slightly and may reduce appetite. 13. Soups. Examples: broth-based soups, vegetable, chicken broth. Benefits: low-calorie, nutrient-dense soups can help control hunger and provide hydration. 14. Popcorn. Benefits: a whole grain snack that's low in calories and high in fiber. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support weight loss by keeping you full and providing essential nutrients without excessive calories.